Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Chausuyama Kofun. Chausuyama Kofun is an old tomb located in Tennoji, Osaka. It's built about 1,600 years ago. The tomb is shaped like a keyhole and it's about 200 meters long. It's the biggest kofun in Osaka City. The people believe it was made for an important person in the 5th century. It's a very important place to learn about ancient Osaka history. Today, Chausuyama Kofun is near Tennoji Park and is a relaxing spot for people. In spring, cherry blossoms bloom. In autumn, you can see beautiful red and yellow leaves. There is a walking path around the coffin, so you can enjoy a quiet walk and feel the history. Chausuyama is also famous as a battle site from the Edo period. The Battle of Osaka happened here, and famous warrior Sanada Yukimura fought against the Tokugawa army. Many history fans visit this area. You can also find signs and information about the battle. Recently, Osaka City has events and tours for children and visitors. The coffin is very easy to reach. You can walk there from JR Tennoji Station or subway stations. If you visit Osaka, please come to Chausuyama Kofun and enjoy both nature and history. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.